Hi there folks, so in this video I will be showing you the best text editors for Python. So the first one is Sublime Text, which is a sophisticated text editor for code, markup and parse. I actually use it because it is very useful, it is light and very simple to use. Right, let's import regex, and then you have to do this .py, right, and here you have the, let's say, class. It actually use a color mapping for Python text. The second one, this is the first one, which is sophisticated text editor for code, markup and parse, and then you can go to VS Code, right, from Microsoft, which is very useful. You have also to notice that VS Code, when you download the VS Code, you have to download the Python package, this one, and then within this Python you can actually open the Jupyter Notebook files, which is very useful. The second one is Atom Text Editor, which is very useful, used by the programmers. And the last one is Pycharm, right? This one is Pycharm. Pycharm is really beautiful, and it works especially for, you can see, especially with Python, right? So this is how you can get the Pycharm. However, if you want to download one of these text editors, I highly suggest you to download this Sublime Text, because it's really light, it opens very quickly, and this is actually what you want, right? The second choice is I would suggest you to download VS Code and install the Python language library. When you do so, you will be able to open a Jupyter Notebook using VS Code, because you have to notice that you cannot open VS Code with Sublime Text, nor with Atom, nor with Pycharm. You have to install other dependencies, right? So I highly recommend you to install VS Code if you are working with Jupyter Notebook.